Me must left ya. Me have left ya. Me have left ya. Why?
Chucky, where the bat want you? Where you ball on the place, man?
Oh, Papa, all of my friends them on TV.
So after that, you too damn full of fashion.
No, Papa, me want go on TV.
You want to go on TV?
Yes, Papa.
Then that you turn up your ball fashion. Come. If you want to go on TV, there's a simple solution for everything. You never know it's easy if you go on TV. Watch this. See there? You're on TV.
No, Papa.
Oh, you mean?
You want to go on the show on TV?
What? Yeah, idiot. Yeah, if you want to go in the show on TV, all you have to do is call on TV.
You lie! Alright, Papa, call on TV.
Yes,
call on TV.
Alright, now that you know how to get on TV,
yes.
Come on for me TV.
Alright. Oh, me going on TV.
When you done your work.
Yes, Papa. Me I go on TV.
When you done your work.
Alright, Papa. On TV. Hello? Oh, yes. Yes. No. I called
Chucky.
Papa. Oh.
Hey, what you doing before? I done your child on my credit.
No, Papa.
Me say what you doing before?
I called Pon TV.
Get me phone.
Me called Pon TV.
Who?
Pon TV.
Oh, Pon TV?
Yeah.
Chucky, call him, Chucky, call him.
Me put the line with the Papa.
Chucky, you say they get them?
Uh-huh.
Tell them say me want to go on the TV too.
Yes, hello. Papa want come on TV.
Me want to go on the TV too.
Right. Yes, on TV. Right.
Look out for it.
Yeah.
Look out for it. We are going to go on TV.
Yes, we are going to go on TV. With them on TV.
Me and Chucky on TV.
Yes.